1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 M's in my bank account, yeah. In my bank account, yeah. In my bank account, yeah. In my bank account, yeah.
Hey viewers, this is Sam Yalfa,
and this is Dimitri, and this is our 4th episode of Stock Pick of the Week.
On today's episode, we had to get a little quote-unquote defensive due to the stock market's rocky week. So for this week's Stock Pick of the Week, we chose Raytheon. Raytheon actually has a very good macroeconomic outlook. The biggest macro factor of Raytheon is the M2 money supply. And fortunately for Raytheon, the M2 money supply is actually performing 2 standard deviations greater than the trailing 3-month average in that same time. Furthermore, the CPI is trading above, or not trading, the CPI is performing above 2 standard deviations of its mean in the trailing 3 months. And due to that 2 standard deviation positive impact on the Raytheon asset price, we could assume that the Raytheon price has some near-term catalysts that are going to raise the stock price.
Alright, so like always, I'm going to talk about a couple other factors. For the first one, I'm going to mention that for the first quarter of 2018, their net sales equal to $6.3 billion, which goes over to 4.5% increase, and their dividends has also increased 8.8%. Another very important factor that I want you guys to remember when talking about this company is that their #1 customer in the US is the US Department of Defense. So that's going to be a huge factor in seeing their long-term effects, and that the company is going to stay in the game for a really long time.
In conclusion, due to the current market's rocky valuation, we have to choose a value stock this week. And we are giving Raytheon a price target of $213.
Alright, and that wraps up this week's video of Stock Pick of the Week. It was short and sweet, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button first before you do anything else, and then hit the like and then comment down below. Hit it,
hit the subscribe.
Hit it.